Hey guys, look. They love each other. Okay, I am here for an unboxing. This one. Now, this is actually something you guys have seen before, along with something else. I put on a light over here. You can kind of see my hand. This way you guys can, the light behind me won't be so crazy. Okay. There's a couple of you that are interested in the whole lighting situation, but moving in a couple weeks, so my setup will be all different. All right. This is from RapidEDC. Shit. RapidEDC. RapidEDC. Wow. What the hell? Oh shit. These bags are stuck together. Okay, so I ordered a slider and I ordered he's got this brand new, it's almost like a fidget coin. I feel that here. This guy has actually sent me stuff from the very beginning. Yeah, I don't know why I don't get shit ready before I start filming, but luckily all my shit's right here. I've given a lot of it away. In giveaways. Hold on. Let's make this brighter. There it is. This was one of the first ones. I've kept this one. I really like this one. And so he came out with some other ones, and I'm super excited. Now, I only ordered one, so I don't know why there's two here. Well, let's take a look. But I bought these. Now, I did not buy two. What? Ooh. This is a different design. Hold on. This is the one I bought. I forget what it's called. I'm going to put the link to his Etsy. But I really like the feel of this. My friend over at Fidget Focus lent me his, and I loved it so much that I wanted to get it. Okay. Oh, shit. I will say my new setup will have a door, so there will not be a lot of sound in the background. So we got some slide tape right here. I think my friend Kyle had taken the slide tape off. I think maybe to make the sound louder, but actually I like it with the slide tape. Now, one of the criticisms I had of his first one is that it did not have slide tape, so I put that bitch on there, and it actually looks pretty good. I mean, it feels better. Now, this other one, you just throw that in there? Wait, hold on. Oh. Is this a silent one? This is a loud. This one is, oh my God. It's insanely silent. Oh my God, it doesn't make any noises. What? These are resin. These are not 3D printed. These are resin. Pretty cool. They come out like that. Isn't it crazy? He doesn't have to do any kind of modifications on them. He's actually a mechanical engineer. But yeah, so what? Listen to this. Now this is the one that... Now, what I'd really like to do is I'd like to compare it to the... Oh shit, the Haptic EDC ones. So... I think it's a little bit thinner, but I know that he's actually going to make ones that are thinner. The Haptic EDC is a little bit wider. Definitely stronger magnets, but that's not always better. Wow. Okay. Before I really get all the way into these, I really want to try out this coin. Okay. Oh my God. a resin printed. Now these are printed, but they are made of resin. Now, fun fact, he told me that this grade of resin is safe for people to touch, and like it's non-toxic. He said not all of them are non-toxic. Oh wow. Let me see what the middle looks like. Oh. I might have to shut the camera off and then smack a puppy. So we got some glide tape, we've got a bearing, we've got a post here, and then let me get out of the film here, the little frame so you can see this very closely. So these fit right together. This is actually amazing. Wow. Okay, I will say my only criticism, and it's really not that bad of a criticism, is it's still kind of fat. It's not hard to turn. I just wish it was just maybe a little thinner. But I mean, it's really fine. Hold on. Let me get some of the ones that I like a lot. Some of my, here, like for instance, this one. This is actually about the same size. So, okay, let's do an NJT. Actually, it is a standard size for a haptic coin. Yep, exactly. Boy, it's like exactly the size of the NJT. So I'm smoking something. I'm smoking it. So it's actually a perfect size. Hear that sound? Dude, cat, move! Holy shit. I will say that my new setup, it will be a room, but it's gonna have all the cats in it. Okay, so we've got 3 products here. Now each one of these I think is like 35 or 40 bucks. So they are kind of on the pricey side, but they're very, very, very well made. These things are gonna hold up. So this is the one that's the loud. This one is the most silent slider I have ever felt in my entire life. Now, like the other one from HapticEDC that is more silent. Now listen to this. You can use this in class. You can use this at work. And actually I wasn't sure because he's got a bunch of different designs. This one looks like a snake. And it's real nice. Very, 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 very grippy. So, very grippy. Let me turn the camera around. Sheba. Okay. Sheba. Okay, which one would you like, Sheba? Sheba. Okay, so. God, I was like, let me turn the camera around so you guys can get a better look. And it's like the worst. Hold on, let me get the lighting better. All right, cat, move. Okay. What? That's vibrant. Ooh, look, the finish is different on this one. Gosh, I kind of love the fact that it's translucent. Whoa, why is it fuzzy? It's fuzzy on this side. No, it's just my stupid camera focusing on some other bullshit. Sheba, why are you licking my finger? Dude. Okay. So here's the coin. Oh. there are no hot spots, so it's smooth all the way around. Here's the other one that I ordered. Look at that. This one is the one that's the regular one, the loud one. Slide tape. Zoom out a little bit. And then here's the silent one he sent me. I like it. I really love the design. I have to say I like this design better than that one. I only ordered that one because that was the one that Kyle sent me. And I was like, well, it feels nice, so I might as well stick with it. So it looks the same exact as the other one, but listen to this. It's insane. Like, how the fuck do you achieve complete silence like that? That's amazing. That's amazing. And you still, it's still very strong magnets. That's crazy. Look at Sheba. All right, guys. Well, it's late. All right, shoot. Let's lay it out one more time. Oh God. I need to lay it out for a group shot. Sheba. All right, well, anyway, thank you guys for watching.